Home Remedies presents
Hair oil recipe that will solve 99% of hair problems. Hey guys, I have been using the hair oil since January. I have used it once a week, though ideally twice a week works better, and I am beginning to see these results. Hair fall has reduced by a lot more than half. Hair has become darker and glossier. It helps in reversing premature hair graying. Hair has become smoother. I see new hair growth sprouting in places where my scalp used to be visible. It controls dandruff as well. The oil, when applied, relaxes me. A noticeable reduction in the frizziness of hair as well. So let's see how to make the oil. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Ingredients: black seeds 1 tablespoon, fenugreek seeds 1 tablespoon, ginger 2-inch pieces, garlic 12 to 15 cloves, onion 1 medium sized, mustard oil 100 ml. You can also opt for coconut oil or olive oil instead, as per your personal liking. Procedure: firstly, take the black seeds and fenugreek seeds and coarsely grind them. Now take the ginger, garlic and onion, peel and chop them and grind them to make a fine paste. As we are not adding any water in it, so while grinding, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in it to make a smooth paste. Now heat all the ingredients thoroughly in a pan at a low heat till the oil is separated from the ingredients. Once done, allow it to cool. Once cool, take a cotton cloth to strain the oil. Store in a glass bottle and you can use for 2 to 3 months. How to apply? Apply it on the scalp with fingertips and gently massage it. Keep it for 1 hour before washing. Once applied, you can also wear a hot steam towel on the head to penetrate the ingredients deeply into the scalp. You can apply it twice a week. Believe me, this oil is very beneficial and you should give it a try at least once.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.